Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the CT Pool crypto mining app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CT Pool application on your device. And now from the homepage, tap on the sign in with Google button. Now, even if you don't have an account, you can tap on this button to proceed with signing up. Now just choose your Google account from your device that you would like to use for sign up. After you have selected your account, you will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to this email. Now just check your inbox and you will find your verification code. Once you enter this code, tap on the OK button and now you have successfully signed up to the CT Pool crypto mining app. You will be taken through the basic guide, so tap on the next button to go through it. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the CT Pool crypto mining app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.